Welcome back to my channel RMB EduTech. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো দুটামান গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ আপডেট আৰু সেই আপডেট কিটা আপোনালোকে APSC ওয়েবসাইটত গলে পাব। প্ৰথম আপডেটটো হৈছে ৰিগাৰ্ডিং notification regarding screening test OMR based assistant architect under public works. Next important point to হৈছে notification regarding reschedule of screening test OMR based for the post of junior engineer civil under the joint cadre of PWD, PWRD and PW. Iti ami sailo je tekatloke ki boli reschedule korise date kunto dise yat likha ase sob junior engineer civil under the joint cadre of public works roads and public works building and energy department date and day 20 July 2025 Sunday morning dise teoloke 10 ta pra 12 ta lage paper 1 civil engineering date ta pra 3:30 ta lage dise paper 2 GS and general English. Or here it is a list of candidates is already uploaded. Already upload korise postpone kora koisile eta ko taloke reschedule korile. Or here it is that e-admission certificates shall be uploaded on 10 July 2025 in the commission's official website. Taloke here di dibo. Ita next update to ami sailo abo. Here is a list of candidates whose application have been accepted rejected for the post of assistant director assistant professor teloke dirise. Next important point was download admit cards for screening test OMR based junior administrative assistant aru eta hoise answer key teloke dirise aru yat apnaloke jodi kono dhoronor claim thake ba objections thake he objections blak apnaloke claim koribo paribo. Click to submit your objections with valid proof apnaloke koribo paribo aru enforcement inspector teloke interview date disle eta download interview lovely viva voice intimation letter to dise teneke apnaloke aru ekini already moi kali koisilo ki notification teloke dise to akhar rakhiso video to niso informative boli aru jodi informative hoy titele ta like kori dibo channel to subscribe koribo na paribo logote video to share koribo na paribo ajiloi ahu bye bye take care jai hind.